Why do 90% of successful entrepreneurs swear by money manifestation? Let's uncover their secrets. First, set clear financial goals. Picture your success and write it down. Next, practice gratitude daily. Yes, a thankful heart attracts abundance. Now, visualize your wealth. Close your eyes, imagine your financial dreams coming true. Feel the excitement, the joy. That energy, it's powerful. Surround yourself with positivity. Read inspiring books, follow successful people, and stay motivated. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe. Take action. Even small steps count. Invest in yourself, learn new skills, and keep pushing forward. Believe you deserve wealth. Trust in your journey. Money manifestation is all about mindset. Think rich, act rich, become rich. You've got this. Now go out there and make your wealth dreams a reality. Subscribe for more tips to manifest your best life.